Hello! This is another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the Seasonic Prime series power supply. This is the Snow Silent Gold 550 watts model. If I turn it over, we get a nice little look at it. Yep, so that's fully modular. Let's have a look inside, and we'll pull the contents of the box out. And there's the inside box. Let's get that open. Right. Okay. First thing is we've got quite a nice little bag with stuff in it. So let's see what's in that. A quick installation guide. Remove your old PSU. That's pretty sound advice. What's this? There's some Velcro style branded cable ties. Nice big sticker. A little bag of screws. This is the Snow Silence, and these screws are black, so maybe they should have been white, but I suppose it matters. Some actual real cable ties, and the last thing is actual little decal, plastic decal powered by Seasonic. So that's what's in the little bag. So we'll put that on there. Oh, I'll drop one. Let's pick it up. I'll move that to one side, and then there's the main manual, which is that. Doesn't really say much. Yeah, it's multilingual. It's just product features really more than anything else. Here's a catalogue, I think, by the look of it. Oh no, this is another sort of manual. More general manual for the series, the Prime series. Mains lead, so you get a mains lead with it. There's a little, that's quite handy. That's a little power supply. It's branded as well. So that you plug that on and it turns the power supply on, because you've got two pins there that when you short it activates the power supply. So that is so you can use it to get the pumps running to fill your water loops and things. So it's nice they included that. That's pretty funky. Although if you are into water leaks, you've probably got one already. Here's a sort of fabric bag. That's quite a nice little bag. And here's very crinkly. These are all sealed. So that's two SATA Molex and another Molex SATA split, and then one with some SATA and a floppy disk on. So that's the I don't know if you can hear that because of the crumpling, but that's the peripherals, the internal drive connecting bag, and this one must have all the other bigger, thicker cables in. Wow, very crinkly bag. There's the ATX power, there's the processor. Each one must be a PCI Express, yeah. So there's a PCI Express. You've got 2 8s and a 6 on the same cable, so it's a single card. It's designed for single card, and you've got one for the processor. So that's the graphics, that's the GPU, CPU, and main ATX power in there. Very crinkly bags. And here's the actual power supply itself. Nice little foam thing, get that out of the way. And this is a very nice bag. It's all plush velvet bag. Ooh. And then here we have the power supply itself. Lovely. Now it has got a fan on it, but that fan doesn't do anything unless it needs to. So you can either have it in as like hybrid mode. I don't know what that does. I'm guessing if it's in hybrid mode, it can be a standard power supply where the fan goes, and if it's not in hybrid mode, then the fan doesn't run, or the opposite of that. But it's a very nice power supply. Very nice paint on it. There's all the connectors on the back, look. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 peripheral IDE SATA Molex connectors. There's a motherboard one, CPU PCI Express, but there's also CPU PCI Express as additional ones. I don't think they supplied the cables for that with this model, because this is the SSR-550GD. And there you go. So that's a very nice looking power supply, has to be said. So we'll put it on its little back. So you get power supply, obviously, you get a collection of leads, not a huge collection of leads. On the 551 you get enough to power one graphics card, and enough, I'm going to use the word enough SATA Molex devices. Inclusion of the power supply starter upper, for lack of a better word, is a really nice touch. A couple of manuals for the things you've already bought, well, product guides for things you've already bought, cable ties ×2, stickers, and decal little bag of black screws, quick start guide, little bag, and of course mains lead. This is going to be going into a silent PC I'm building for someone, but if you've got any questions about this, then put them in the comments. Like and subscribe will be helpful too, and thanks for watching.